Here's the finished outcome. Syndrome just need a little paint on him. And the only thing I did do these guys, after the video ended, I did work on it a little bit more, mostly. Mr. Gravel is fixing up things I didn't notice in the video. I did a, we call it dry brush technique on the, I think it's what it's called, I don't even know. Basically just to get highlights of some stuff, and on his legs here, it does look good. I'm sure you can tell in the video. But I do like how it came out. It's not much, but it adds a little bit. Mr. Krebel was pretty hard to work on. At some point I messed up, so I had to paint on his emblem a little bit. The paint I had just wasn't the best. It works for paint, like paper, but on actual stuff like this, it wasn't the best. Though Mr. Krebel did turn out much better than he was before. The video looks good. But there's some problems, but yeah, he had a lot of problems. And back, his hair on top doesn't look too bad. So you can tell I painted. I did a little at that place. I said the black to highlight some hair creases. But his back had a lot of scruffs there, but now you can't see anything there. That's where the thing that gave me a lot of trouble, but I painted that over. Yeah, other than that, the only thing I have is I don't know how this happened, but I guess the spots came undone somehow. I was moving them around. There's one for this, so I'll fix that. I have ordered better paint, so I'm gonna fix that. Other than that, yeah. Looks pretty snazzy. I'm glad. That's what I had as a kid, of course. And Mr. Gravel looks pretty great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.